Anti-skating is an adjustment that helps to counteract the gravitation of the stylus towards the spindle. For DJ use, anti-skating should be set to 0 due to the necessity of backcuing. Anti-skating set to 0 allows the stylus to follow the groove precisely, regardless of what direction the record is moving. For playback and transcription, the anti-skating value should approximately match the tracking weight on the cartridge. Some DJs prefer to set the anti-skating at half the value of the tracking weight. This is up to your personal preference. Depending on the type of cartridge, the type of head shell, the turntable, thickness of the slip mats you're using, and also the mounting hardware, there's really no definitive answer. To set the tone arm height, adjust the height ring found at the base of the tone arm until the tone arm itself is parallel to the record during playback. This will ensure the best sound and tracking quality.